Hi guys, this is an add-on to the video I made for universal indicator. I had a suspicion that my distilled water had been contaminated. So I'm doing the distilled water color change for universal indicator again. Here I'm pouring some distilled water onto a white tile, and now I will be adding a few drops of the universal indicator in the distilled water. So as you can see, my suspicion was correct. I had contaminated distilled water present. Here we can see a green color of the universal indicator in distilled water, and this is the actual color that we were supposed to obtain for a solution with a pH of 7. So this is the color in distilled water, not the one shown in the previous video, because that was contaminated with something, whatever the color was. Now I'll do the test again with the other solutions. Here I'm pouring some HCl onto my white tile. Now I'm adding universal indicator to it, and I get this red color. Next I am going to be adding some acetic acid or ethanoic acid onto the white tile, followed by the universal indicator, and this turns red, and we can see the difference in the red colorations in both the acids. Continuing with the basic solutions, now I am going to be adding a few drops of sodium hydroxide to the white tile and a few drops of universal indicator, turning this solution blue purple. Following on, we have ammonia being poured onto the white tile, followed by a few drops of universal indicator itself, and this also turns purple. Look at the difference in coloration of the two blue purple or purple solutions. And finally, the color of universal indicator on its own on a white tile. This is how universal indicator appears in solution. So this is the universal indicator at pH 7. This is the universal indicator on its own without any solution being added. So here is an overview of all the color changes that we have just witnessed. Going from top to bottom, left to right. Top left is HCl, bottom left is CH3COOH, top middle is universal indicator on its own, middle bottom is universal indicator in distilled water, right top is universal indicator in NaOH, and right bottom is universal indicator in ammonia.